Entering merchandise sales. Even if you don't purchase the full point of sale option, you can still enter merchandise sales on a small scale by setting up merchandise types or rates. This is suitable for selling a few RV supplies, propane, ice, and so forth. Click on the cash register icon to start an unbound transaction. This means that the transaction is a simple sale, not tied to any particular customer or reservation. The transaction dialog will be shown, looking rather sparse this time since there is no reservation information. If you have some merchandise predefined as rates, click Select Rates. Any merchandise rate types will be shown. Let's say they're buying metered propane and 15.4 gallons have been pumped. Click the propane item. In the list, a quantity box will appear. Quantity always defaults to 1, so you will need to change that to the appropriate quantity. Quantity always defaults to 1, so you will need to change that to the appropriate quantity. Enter 15.4. Then click Add. You will see the item total in the bottom Rate Selected list. Let's say he decides to pick up a sewer hose donut while he's here. Since we know the quantity will default to 1, just double-click the item in the list to add one of those automatically. Now the rates selected should appear like this. Click the Done button to finish adding the items. It will go back to the Transactions dialog, showing the selected items and the tax as a separated line item. Note: if you need to enter a sale for something you don't have a rate set up for, just use the Charge button instead of Select Rates and enter the information as needed. Now, you need to enter the payment. Just click Payment, just like you do for reservations. For a simple merchandise sale, you probably want to print a simple receipt instead of a full reservation receipt. To select a different receipt format, open the list. Right now I have the quick receipt format, which is what we require, but you may have something to the like of ticket form or other form of receipts, and we will choose quick receipt. Select the quick receipt for a simple full page type receipt, or if you have a retail type receipt printer, you can use the 3-inch receipt printer format right here. Now click Print Reservation Receipt All to print the receipt, and close the transaction dialog when you're done.